Welcome to the Nourish kitchen. In this video, we will demonstrate how to cook grains using the Pilaf method. The Pilaf method refers to cooking a grain in a broth. There are three main differences between pilaf and steamed rice: the seasoning, the cooking liquid, and the technique. For the seasonings, you can start with the basics: onions, garlic, and some popular spices such as saffron, cinnamon, ground coriander, and cumin. As for the liquid, steamed rice uses water, but for pilaf, you want to use a broth or a stock. Making pilaf also requires toasting the grain and simmering the ingredients in a covered pot. You can cook a variety of whole grains using the Pilaf method, such as brown rice, wheat berries, and bulgur. Today, we'll be preparing a brown rice pilaf. You will need the following: a saucepan with a lid, cooktop or stove, measuring cups, the grain, and a broth or a stock. Make sure to rinse the rice using a mesh strainer. Drain well and remove excess moisture to avoid oil splattering. Rinsing the rice will remove the excess starch and produce a fluffier cooked product. Heat the oil or the butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Add diced onions and sauté until softened, about 3 minutes. Add the brown rice and stir well to coat the rice in the oil or the butter. Cook the rice until it's toasted, about 2 minutes. Pour the broth into the rice and add pepper, 1 bay leaf, and simmer. Cover the saucepan and cook for as long as the instructions say on your package of rice. This is usually between 15 to 25 minutes, or until the liquid is absorbed and the rice is tender. Let it stand for 10 minutes, then remove the bay leaf and fluff with a fork. Garnish with chopped herbs. Thank you for cooking with us. We hope you enjoy.